So good morning students. So today we are continuing from components of foods. Okay, है ना? So we are studying about what components of foods. So every day we eating the foods and what are their different components and what is their relevance. Relevance are importance in our daily life. Okay. So previously we seen that about what carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Okay, so these are getting from that. So carbohydrates are energy rich foods which give energy. Fat is for the bodybuilding and proteins for the protecting in nature. Okay, so today we are discussing about what mineral salts. Okay. So in our daily life, our healthy body, to immunity, we require different minerals. Okay. So minerals are getting from the what? Some of the animal food and some from the vegetable foods. Okay. So minerals are important for the various body functions. Okay. So we will taking in further. So what is the importance of the mineral salts in our body? So they are required in small quantity. Okay, अने बहुत ज़्यादा quantity में नहीं लगते वो mineral salts. Okay, so but they are requiring very small quantity, but they are important for our what healthy lives. Okay, so minerals have no energy value. Okay, minerals is not providing us energy, but still they are important for us. Okay, so rich sources are milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables and pulses and meat and eggs. Okay, so these are sources of mineral salts. Okay, so from the mineral salts we are require calcium and phosphorus. Okay, so you know that our bones, our body bones and our teeth are made up by the calcium and phosphorus. So for strengthening them, for strongness of the bones and teeth require the calcium and phosphorus. So they will be taking from the foods. Okay. So salts of calcium and phosphorus are required for making bones and teeth hard and for promoting blood clotting in our body. Okay. So whenever cut from this, है ना, अगर यहाँ से अगर हाथ को अगर कट कर दिया, है ना, या फिर if any times we are fallen, okay, so we observing that there is what bleeding. Okay, so that bleeding should be what blood is clotting with the help of this calcium and phosphorus. Okay, so calcium and phosphorus required for to strengthening bones, strongness of bones and promoting the blood clotting in our bodies. Okay, so another one mineral salt is iron. Okay, so iron which is very much necessary for us. Okay, so iron is essential for forming hemoglobin. Okay, iron किसके लिए require होता है? Iron is for the hemoglobin. So hemoglobin, it is the blood component. So due to which the blood having this red color. Okay, and hemoglobin is required for our oxygen carrying in our different parts of body. Okay, so iron is essential for forming hemoglobin and a component of our blood. Okay, so the deficiency of the iron leads to anemia. Okay, अगर आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी होगी तो क्या होगा? एनीमिया. ओके, सो अगर आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से क्या होगा? एनीमिया होगा. एंड सो व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ आयरन? ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, एग्स, groundnuts and liver are a good source of iron. Okay, so these are the good source of iron for human being. Okay, what is the function of iron? Iron is essential for forming hemoglobin. Okay, and hemoglobin, it is one of the components of our blood. Okay, so in case there is a deficiency of iron, it leads to the what disease anemia. Okay, जिसमें blood की क्या हो जाती है, कमी हो जाती है. So due to which that body will get appearing very whitish color. Okay, and what are the source of iron? Eggs, cheese, groundnuts, livers, leafy vegetables, and so on. Okay, so next is iodine. So you number of time watching the advertisements of the iodine namak. Okay, देश का नमक iodine namak है ना, like that. Okay, so in the market there is the different brands of namaks. Okay, salts है ना, जो edible salt जो होता है. So we are eating every day of the different brands, but we require what? Iodized namak. Okay, why the iodized namak? So in case there is a absence of iodine in the salts, so what will leads to? It leads to the development of goiter. Goiter, it is the one of the disease here, and which is iodine, it is required for the good functionings of thyroid. So here is the thyroid gland is situated, and it what metabolize the all the body functions. Okay, and these are essential for the body maintains temperature. Okay, so iodine is required for the good functionings of thyroid glands, and in case there is a deficiency of iron, it leads to what? Development of goiter. Okay, so in the hilly regions, some of that Himachal Pradesh, Kangra, Kullu. Okay, so there is what number of cases of the what goiter cases. Okay, so iodine leads to goiter, and so what is the source of iodine? It is the iodized namak. Okay, sorry, iodized salt. Every day we are adding in our food some pinch of the salts in our food. Okay, iodized salts and fishes and seafoods are the sources of minerals. Okay, so those are the seafoods are very much better source of the iodine. Okay, so next is vitamins or vitamins. Okay, so you again in further section we will taking about that in case the what are the diseases due to the deficiency of vitamins. Okay, so vitamins are essential. Vitamins are neither body building and nor energy giving. Okay, vitamins जो होते हैं it's not for the body building है ना, and not the energy giving, but required for proper functionings of our bodies. Okay, so and they are required by the body in very small quantities. Vitamins क्या होते हैं कि very small in quantity में required होते हैं. ठीक है, so green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs and cheese are rich in vitamins. Okay, so these are the source of vitamins. Next, water. So you know that water is very much essential to dequench, है ना, to what? Fulfill our thirst. जब अपने को प्यास लगती है तो क्या करते हैं अपन? वाटर पीते हैं, है ना, we taking the water. Okay, so water is required for what? But for why water is required for us? To maintaining our body temperature, number one, to excrete our waste material from our bodies, है ना, with the what? Urination and again what? Nature's call. Okay, and sweatings, and again our body is completely near about 70% body portion of is made up by the water. Okay, so water is important for us, and about 70% of body weight is that of water. Okay, अपना जो बॉडी का जो वेट है 70% के आसपास, ये किससे बना है? वाटर से कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स है. ओके, एंड हीट water helps the body in various functions. Okay, so for its means of transporting substances in the organisms. Okay, तो जो भी अपन फूड इनटेक करते हैं वो अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स में ले जाने का काम कौन करता है? टू कैरी टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी विद द हेल्प ऑफ water, okay, and it helps to maintain constant body temperature. So you observing at the summer days, if you get what thirst, so what will we do? We taking what? Water, and due to which that we pleasing what? Cool, okay. So water help in the absorption of food and excretions of the waste product from the body, okay. Water is required for absorption of food, and जो भी अपन जो those foods we are every day taking, so it would be absorbed with the help of water, okay, है ना. जैसे two to 4 bites we are taking food, and after that we are taking water to swallowing, okay. It also help in the swallowing of the human being, okay, and those digested food is absorbed with the help of water. So our body needs 2 to 3 liters of water every day, okay, and our body require what? 2 to 3 liters of water, okay. Every day we require 2 to 3 liters of water for our body, okay. So next is roughage, no. So next is roughage. Roughage means that it's a food fiber, okay. So fibers are roughage. The fibers. So we eating what? Different salads, okay, at the what time of dinner or lunch, okay. For why? Because of these salads providing us fibers, okay, and fibers are essential for the digestive systems, okay. So fiber is found in vegetables, fruits, beans and cereals, okay. We are taking the different sprouts, gram, moong, and again what? Onion, kakdi, gajar, and beans, spinach, and what again? जो ये होता है अपना क्या बोलते हैं? Beetroot, okay. So these are eating during the what? So these providing us fiber. So what are the importance of fiber? To require for to prevent the constipations, okay. Now constipation is necessary for the proper functionings of the digestive system, है ना. Digestive systems के proper functionings के लिए क्या require है? Fibers require है, okay. So on the basis of that, there are different functionings. Food we are classifying in what? Foods thus on the basis of their role in the body are classified into 3 major food groups, okay. So which are they? 3 major food groups, and there is a question, okay, that is the energy giving, okay, energy giving, body building, and third one is protective, okay, and third one is protective, okay, protective foods. So these are classifications of food. So energy giving foods are carbohydrates and fats, body building fats, okay, and protecting foods are what? Vitamins and body building में fats and proteins, and these are protective vitamins and minerals, okay, vitamins and minerals. So on the basis of their different functions in our body, they are classified the main food groups, and this one is question to you, which are the 3 main groups, okay. And for the question number 7, there is one more. Answer is that we not eating the single type of food, because all the foods are required to maintaining these types of functionings, okay. So no single food can supply all the components required for our proper nutrition, okay. So that's why we require more than one foods and different types of foods. Means we require carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and so on, Okay, means we not taking only one kinds of food. We require more numbers of kinds of food to proper nutrition of require our body. Okay. So today we are stopping here. Next we will be taking compositions of some foods item in the next classes. So have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.